So now that we have understood what is the share, we have also seen how the authorized capital is converted into issued or paid up capital. The entire process of converting the owner's authorized capital to public domain, the entire process is known as the IPO, initial public offering. So now that we have understood that, and we have also seen an example of a chocolate factory, if you have the money to set up and how that authorized capital is converted to paid up or issued capital. So today we are going to see an illustration of Colgate-Palmolive to identify what are the total number of shares of Colgate-Palmolive, what is the total market capitalization of Colgate-Palmolive, so that if we have to buy it as a single owner, what is the amount we need to actually pay to buy Colgate-Palmolive. So let me share my screen so that it becomes easy to understand. Here we go. I've actually opened Colgate-Palmolive already, but for the sake of understanding, let me go back to nseindia.com. NSE India, as I explained earlier, that is the stock exchange of India, wherein you can see all the listed companies. If you know a particular company which is you want to find out whether it's been listed, you can go to nseindia.com and type in the name of the company which you would like to browse. Say, for example, if I want to see whether Jio is listed, I just type Jio and there is no record found because Jio is a subsidiary of Reliance Industries. So then if I see Reliance Industries, I see Reliance Industry listed. For this example, let us take Colgate-Palmolive. Let me browse to Colgate-Palmolive. Colgate-Palmolive India, of course. So we go here. And we see that Colgate-Palmolive, the date of listing was 2007, the personal care and FMCG sector. So then we have the total number of issued shares, which is what we wanted to see. 27,1985634, 27 crores in fact. That is the total number of shares. If we have to understand what is the total issued capital, we multiply the total number of shares with that of the face value. So we take the total number of shares and we multiply by the face value and we get the same amount because the face value is 1, so it doesn't make a difference. So that is the issued capital of Colgate-Palmolive. Then we have other parameters like what is the previous close, opening, VWAP, lower band, upper band. This is all the price variations in the day. So the intraday high, low. This makes sense for people who generally trade into the market, but not of relevance for a value trader, for a value investor. So this is the market depth in the sense that how many total bids are there for 1631 market premium, and total number of asking is 1631.20. So this is the total bid book. So the trade information tells us the total number of volume of shares being traded, total traded value in lakhs, and this is the total market capitalization which we wanted to check it out. So this is in lakhs, so 443669 lakhs. So let us calculate quickly. If we have this as the total number of shares, and this we multiplied by the current price at the market premium 1631.20, 1631.20. So if we have to convert it into lakhs, we need to divide it by 1 lakh. This is 10,000. This is a lakh. So this is the value which we get. If we compare this value with this, it's almost the same value. So indeed, NSE India is calculating it right. We needed to just confirm. So this is the total value of Colgate-Palmolive if we have to buy it today. Obviously, because it's a very high value and a retail investor cannot buy or have so much capital. That is why it's concept of share, wherein you can go into the stock market and buy specific units of Colgate-Palmolive and grab a percentage of ownership of Colgate-Palmolive. That's a great concept. I'm feeling that it's a great opportunity to be an owner of a company by investing a certain portion of your capital. So this is about market capitalization. So there are other aspects as well. Other delivery aspect, how much delivery percentage is done for the day. This is the total difference between buying and selling. So next, we also want to see the annual report. So if you have to see the annual report, we go to corporate information. And annual report makes sense to us because we have to learn accounting. So this is where all the annual reports of all the previous years will be listed. So this is the last 5 records. We go quickly and just open this attachment. It's downloading here for us. We open the zip. Here we go. The annual report. We'll try double clicking on it and see if it opens. Yes, it opens. That's great. So we have the annual report. This is the subject letter of release of the annual report. And then we have the initial few slides or initial few pages as information by message to shareholders from the managing director of the company, Ram Raghavan. And subsequently, you can have a look at different annual reports. We are going to cover annual reports in detail. We're going to see what are the profit and loss statements of the annual report, the balance sheet, how to analyze the cash flow statement, and how to read the notes of every statement, and how to analyze all the different aspects of profitability and stability. So now that we have seen how to view the annual reports, I guess that let's have a quick look at the historical information of Colgate-Palmolive. Historical information tells us about what is the last trading price for each day. If you see here, the last trading price has in fact gone up. The last which is available here is 12th August 1563. This was the price, and the highest trade was available on this particular day, 29th August 1633. So not much of relevance, but just sometimes we have wish to see what is the last trading price and details. You can visit other sites like Yahoo Finance. You can have moneycontrol.com. These sites also give you charts as well. So you can just have a feel about how to read this information. If you have specific questions about certain parameters which have been mentioned in the site, you can just drop in your comment, and I'll be glad to get back to you. So that brings us to the end of this session. This was an illustration to understand how to identify the total number of shares of any listed company. So please subscribe, and I'll be coming up with subsequent videos.